Assalamualaikum, my name is Kafsa Khairunisa. As a leader of the Group 1, we want to present you the competition of Banking World is Future. And the member of the group?
My name is Helmi Daris Pitoko.
My name is Nafis Mulia Pratama.
And my name is Sultan Hanif.
Next. What is bank? A bank is a generally established financial intermediation institution with the authority to accept deposit of money, lend money, and use promise are now as banknotes. The word bank comes from the Italian bank, meaning place of exchange of money. In Indonesia, there's 4 types of bank, view from ownership. First, government-owned bank, BUMN, national privately owned banks, foreign-owned bank, mixed bank. Next. Bank type view from vacation. Central bank. A state-owned financial body is given the responsibility to regulate and supervise the activities of financial institutions and ensure stable economic activities. Next. Commercial bank. A bank that conducts conventional banking business activities that in the activities provide service in payment traffic.
Okay, next going to explain by me the function of central banks. Establish and implement monetary policy, set discount rate, set monetary goals, conducting monetary control as a monetary authority. Next, manage and maintaining smooth payment system. Establish the use of a payment instrument or instrument, carrying out and giving consent and permission, require the service provider to submit report on its activities, issuing and circulating rupiah. Next, set up and supervise banks, that is impose sanction on banks in accordance with the law and regulation, set rules, grant and revoke permit for certain institutional and business activity of the bank, supervise bank both individually and as a banking system. Next, the function of commercial banks. Collection of deposit. The primary function of commercial bank is to collect deposit from the public, such as deposit are of 3 main types: current, saving, and fixed. A current account is used to make a payment. A customer can deposit and withdraw money from current account subject to a minimum required balance. Saving account is an interest yielding account. Deposit in saving account are used for saving money. Saving bank account holder is required to maintain a minimum balance in his account to avail of check facilities. After that, making loan and advance. Commercial banks have to keep a certain portion of their deposit as legal reserve. The balance is used to make loans and advance to the borrowers. Commercial banks make a various type of loan, such as loan to a person or a firm against some collateral security, cash credit, overdraft facilities, loan by discounting bills of exchange.
And next, Industrial Revolution 4.0. Industrial Revolution 4.0 is a phenomenon that collaborate on cyber technology and automation technology. The concept of application center of the concept of automation carried out by technology without the need for human labor in the application process. This certainly adds efficiency value to a work environment where time management is considered vital and much needed by industry players. In addition, exponentially good time management will have an impact on labor quality and production costs. Concrete examples that can be taken from the utilization of technology in the industrial field is the process of bookkeeping and production that can now be easily accessed by anyone and anytime. Apart from the role of technology in the industry, the benefits can also be obtained by all walks of life. Currently, information retrieval and exchange can be easily done anytime and anywhere over the internet. Technology that will be a key pillar in the development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. First, the Internet of Things is a concept in which an object has the ability to transfer data over a network without the need for human interaction. Second is big data is a term that describes a large volume of data, both structured and unstructured data. Next, artificial intelligence, a computer or machine technology that has human-like intelligence and it can be arranged according to human desire. Additive manufacturing is a new breakthrough in the manufacturing industry that is often known for using 3D printers. And then integrated system is a series that connect multiple artificial intelligence as computer that has human-like intelligence and it can be arranged according to human desire. System for both physical and functional. And then augmented reality or AR is a technology that combines two-dimensional or three-dimensional virtual objects into a real three-dimensional environment and then projects them in real time. And there is cybersecurity is an effort to protect information from cyber attacks. Cyber attacks in information operation are all kinds of action that are deliberately taken to interfere with the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. The simulation model represents the system itself, while the simulation represents its operation over time. And the last is cloud computing is a technology that makes the internet a data and application management center. Facing the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. Currently, Indonesia has begun working on Industrial Revolution 4.0, seen from the many factories that have implemented internet network system to facilitate access to internal information, employee supervision, and bookkeeping. These factories are often referred to smart factory. To deal with this new era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, special preparation are needed that support especially if the hero body is an industry player, web developer, or blog owner. One of them is the selection of reliable web hosting for the standard needs of the present era. Behind the convenience we feel in this era of communication, there are web hosting services that contribute a lot. However, as a client, hero body should be observant in choosing and buying which web hosting service are stable and truly reliable, especially if the hero body position himself as a blogger, web developer, or online business owner. Next.
Okay, next I will to explain what things the disrupt bank. Next, first, blockchain. Blockchain is a digital data storage system containing records connected through cryptography. Blockchain technology has now been utilized by various sectors, one of which is for cryptocurrency transactions such as Bitcoin. Most blockchains serve as a distributed ledger that records and protects digital data through the use of cryptography. Blockchain gives internet users the ability to create value and authentic digital information. Next. The second is big data. Big data is a term that describes large volumes of data, both structured and unstructured, which floats everyday business. But it's not the amount of data that matters. What organizations do with data is what matters. Because the size and function of the data is different. It is therefore called big data. Examples of companies that already use big data are Google, Grab, and also Gojek. Next. Third, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, otherwise known as AI, or artificial intelligence, is human intelligence implemented into technology or machines. A machine is said to have AI if it can demonstrate its intelligence making human cognitive function without intervention from humans. Next. Okay. Machine learning is a terminology that cannot be realized from AI because ML is a form of AI application where machines run data using statistical methods and then do a job without being programmed first. Next. The application of AI are ML in banking. Chatbot dan virtual assistant. Bank use chatbot are a kind of text service and voice bots to solve problem. Usually the technology involved here is natural language processing. Then the second, customer profiling. Banks can communicate and make decisions based on each customer detailed profile. Decisions are taken without human intervention. AI uses both structured and unstructured data to view customer profiles. The third, simplify the process. Low value and repetitive process can be submitted to AI because AI is equipped with knowledge related to applicable regulation and regulation. The fourth, detect patterns. AI can detect patterns and anomalies related to transaction indicated by fraud or money laundering. Face and voice recognition can be used to detect fraudster. Data can also be used find use case and business insight very related to risk and investment opportunities. Okay. Next. Udah.
Okay, so that is our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.